Let's go. First quarter. Championship game. Barangay Tugop of MacArthur, Eastern Samar versus Burak. Salcido Eastern Samar for the pista of Barangay Burak, Salcido Eastern Samar. Official rep of this ball game, Acosta and Kulandog Brothers.
Okay. Reminder sa reminder. Escape. Aaron Choco, escape. Baik ka na. Escape, baik ka na. Pitan mo. Escape, Aaron Choco. Baik kita muna sa scoreboard. Choco. Ay para wala na naman dito.
Let's go. First quarter. Jumping at the center, Kadilo of Burak and Burak ball. Naagaw ng Tugop. Number 7. Number 11.
Number 34. Wow.
May pito.
Foul.
3 points. Wala. May pito si Rep. Foul. Number 11. Foul through. Let's go, it's good. Matono. Tugop. Camera. Yes. Number 7 points. Backing. La Familia Burak. Time out. Science on favor of Tugop.
Number 17, number 11, number 11, take the shoot. Number 11, fight the shoot. Number 23. Number 0. Number 53 to number 16, number 7, walang jam.
Foul. Number 12.
Number 24,
Yes. Number 14.
20. Number 7. Number 7. 12 to number 11, Tomera, Dumang Shot, Pagpanta, Waray, may ano foul, committed by number 2, penalty.
Penalty.
Oras na na, wow! Basket! Basket na rin. 5 G's, 5. Barangay Tuloy. Number 7. Umupo sa Eric. Thank you, shoot. Foul. Committed by number. Wow! Basket.
Under 20 to.
Anyan na.
Oh.
Waray, nakuha ni Shiki. Number 7, nakakali, number 21, okay. Number 54, number 2. Grab the shoot. Team to shoot. 5 to shoot. Right, 55 seconds to be. 55. Wow. 50 seconds.
Akibang.
46 seconds. Score. 2 Completely. 35, 15 to shoot. 30, 10 to shoot. 25. 20. 15 segundos, 15 segundos. Bola tira di Carlos. Basket. Kedua. In and out. Gis. Cinco.
That's the end of first quarter.
3 points.